Hi kids! Today, we're going to draw a cute little monkey holding a big banana. Let's start by sketching out the monkey's head and body. Make sure to add those big, happy eyes. Now, let's grab some colors. The monkey's fur is brown, and the banana is bright yellow. Color the monkey's face and arms too. And don't forget to color the banana in a lovely yellow shade. Great job! Our monkey is looking super cute with its big banana. Now, let's add some details like its little hands holding the banana. You did awesome! Hello again! Let's draw a playful monkey sitting on a banana. Start by drawing the banana's shape, then add the monkey's body sitting on top with a big smile. For the colors, color the monkey in light brown and its face in a lighter shade. The banana is yellow, so color it bright and sunny. Don't forget to add some little details like the monkey's paws. Look at that! You've completed your adorable monkey on a banana. Now add any extra touches like shading to make your drawing come to life.